Hello guys, it's Megha and welcome to our channel Craft Bunker. So before starting today's DIY video, please go to our channel and see some amazing simple to make DIY videos which I have uploaded earlier. So please do watch them and subscribe our channel Craft Bunker. There will be some more amazing videos which will be coming on our channel, so be tuned to it. In this video, I'll be showing some easy to make DIY which you guys can try at home. And again, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for all the updates. So before wasting more time, let's start with our today's video.